Fast, fair. Fox Toledo News. First at 10 starts right now.
First at 10, tonight we hear from parents with questions about how their son died. It's a story broken by our media partner, the Toledo Free Press, and it's a story of parents convinced that their child did not commit suicide. Fox Toledo's Sean Hegarty joins us now live with what those parents believe happened.
Well, Laura, very simply, they believe 11-year-old Andrew Van Horn's death in some way revolves around bullying. Now, they're not saying this was some kind of criminal act, but they cannot believe that their child, who was so excited about the start of school, took his own life.
The only thing I wanted to know is if he was still breathing, and it took over 10 minutes before anybody would give me that answer, and those were the worst 10 minutes of my life. I hoped that the answer would be yes, and when everyone avoided looking directly in my eyes or talking to me, I knew that the answer was going to be no.
Andrew's mom, Amy, who was a nurse, knew that that news was not good. Her son was found in a South Toledo field with a rope around his neck.
As soon as I was told who he was with, I knew that there was no question in my mind that something happened, that there was somehow foul play, or that it could have been a terrible accident. I want to believe that it was a terrible accident.
Andrew was in a field with a younger child who they say has a documented history of bullying Andrew. Toledo police investigated, but Amy and her husband John say several people who saw the child with Andrew after the incident were not questioned by police. And according to the Toledo Free Press, the cause of death was listed as undetermined, not suicide. Amy says that happened after she brought forth more information to the coroner. So as they struggle for answers, they want parents out there to keep a close eye on bullying.
It doesn't matter age, sex, race, color, anything like that. It can happen to anybody, anywhere, in any form. Name calling, pushing down. So yeah, it's a very serious issue.
The things that kids, the things that people say and do to each other really impact other people, and bullying is a problem.
Now, when I asked Amy and John if they wanted to see criminal charges in the case, they said no. They simply want to get to the bottom of what happened, and they'd like to see more investigation into their son's death.